Hey guys, JGtutorials, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a watermark on your videos in Sony Vegas 9 Pro 9.0. So go ahead and open it up, and you have your video or whatever already made, and you want to put a watermark on it. So what you're going to want to do first is make a new video track. So right click on your video track, insert video track. Now go to media generators. If you don't have it here, go to View, Window Layout, or no, View, and then click Media Generators, which is somewhere here. And then it should come up. But yeah, and then go to Text, and select the one that says, well, any one of these that has the transparent checkerboard background. I'm just gonna use default text and drag it on there. And then type in what you want it to say, usually your name. Do the placement, top right hand corner, I'm gonna put it. You could put it right in the middle and make the text big, like that. Or you could do it up in the corner. And then just make it as small as you need it to. Mine 36 maybe. And top right. And then effects, you don't really need any of these unless you want to change how it looks. But I like it the way that way. Then when you're done with that, just close it out. And now just trim this by dragging it. So it's just as long as your video, or just make it however you want. And now on your text part, put your mouse towards the top. It should say opacity is 100%, and your mouse should turn into a finger, like pointing finger. Now just drag it down so it's around like 36%. And there you can see, while it's rendering the frames, you have your watermark right there. And yeah, you should have it. And you can, if you want to change the font or change the side after you did it, just click generated media right there, that green thing. And just change the font to whatever you want. Like that. Might have to change the placement after that, like I do. And there you go. Okay, so that's how you do it. A watermark, saying your name or some text. Let's say you wanted to do a picture. You would need to use a picture editing program such as GIMP or Photoshop, but I don't have either of those right now, so I'm going to be using paint.net. So just open up whatever. And then the first thing you would have to do is select a green color. Really any shade of green would be fine, I think, and just fill your background with green. Then add a new layer, transparent, and make your picture. I'll make mine. Oh, and one more thing, it has to be white. Almost forgot that. Your picture needs to be white though. So just go ahead. I'll make a white box. And then just do your details in with the same green color if you make a box like that. Mine's very sloppy because I'm probably not going to use this. I'm just trying to show you guys. And then when you finish that, save it. Doesn't really matter what you save it as. Save it as a JPEG on my desktop. Save as untitled. Doesn't really matter what name. Yeah. Let's close that out. Now go back to your Sony Vegas. Explorer, go to your desktop, and you might have to reload it for it to work. Open up Sony Vegas again, so I'm going to do that now. I have my picture here. Its name is untitled, so I'm going to delete the text. Instead, put the picture right there. Drag it all the way. Okay, and now you see it's just green in front of it, and you can't see your video. So go to Video Effects, or View. Make sure you have Video Effects. Chroma keyer, and select green screen and drag it onto your picture. Now it might show up a little bit like this. Just gonna have to fix that. Use the select tool and select that green, and then you got it. And then it should only show up with that white part. Now, just like you did last time, drag the opacity down until you like what you have. Okay. And that's how you do it with pictures and with text. And if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe. Hope I helped, and see you later.